Perlite is an amorphous volcanic glass that has a relatively high water content, typically formed by the hydration of obsidian. It occurs naturally and has the unusual property of greatly expanding when heated sufficiently. It is an industrial mineral and a commercial product useful for its lightweight after processing properties. Perlite softens when it reaches temperatures of 850 to 900 degrees Celsius. Water trapped in the structure of the material vaporizes and escapes, and this causes the expansion of the material to 7 to 16 times its original volume. The expanded material is a brilliant white due to the reflectivity of the trapped bubbles. Unexpanded perlite has a bulk density around 1,100 kilograms per cubic meter, while typical expanded perlite has a bulk density of about 30 to 150 kilograms per cubic meter. Typical analysis of perlite: 70 to 75% silicon dioxide, silicon peroxide, 12 to 15% aluminium oxide, 3 to 4% sodium oxide, 3 to 5% potassium oxide, K2O, 0.5 to 2% iron oxide, iron 3 oxide, 0.2 to 0.7% magnesium oxide, 0.5 to 1.5% calcium oxide, 3 to 5% loss on ignition. Production and uses. Perlite is a non-renewable resource. The world reserves of perlite are estimated at 700 million tons. In 2011, 1.7 million tons were produced, mostly by Greece, United States and Turkey. However, no information for China, a leading producer, was available. As of 2003, Greece was a leader in processed perlite production. However, estimates of perlite production from the report USGS Mineral Commodity Summaries 2013 indicate that the U.S. may have overtaken Greece. Because of its low density and relatively low price, many commercial applications for perlite have developed. In the construction and manufacturing fields, it is used in lightweight plasters, concrete and mortar, insulation and ceiling tiles. In horticulture, perlite can be used as a soil amendment or alone as a medium for hydroponics or for starting cuttings. When used as an amendment, it has high permeability, low water retention, and helps prevent soil compaction. Perlite is an excellent filtration aid and is used extensively as an alternative to diatomaceous earth. The popularity of perlite usage as a filter medium is growing considerably worldwide. Perlite filters are fairly commonplace in filtering beer before it is bottled. Small quantities of perlite are also used in foundries, cryogenic insulation, and in ceramics as a clay additive. It is also used by the explosives industry, due to thermal and mechanical stability, non-toxicity, and high resistance against microbial attacks and organic solvents. Perlite is widely used in biotechnological applications. Perlite was found to be an excellent support for immobilization of biocatalysts such as enzymes for bioremediation and sensing applications. Substitutes. Perlite can be substituted for all of its uses. Substitutes include diatomite, expanded clay, shale, pumice, slag, vermiculite. Occupational safety. People can be exposed to perlite in the workplace by breathing in dust, skin contact, and eye contact. United States. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration has set the legal limit for perlite exposure in the workplace as 15 milligrams per cubic meter total exposure and 5 milligram per cubic meter respiratory exposure over an 8-hour workday. The National Institute for Occupational Occupational Safety and Health has set a recommended exposure limit of 10 mg per cubic meter total exposure and 5 mg per cubic meter respiratory exposure over an 8-hour workday.